Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is one family. I welcome you all to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Today we will see for Gemini sign, zodiac reading for Geminis for the month of February. We'll shuffle it on camera, though I have already pre-shuffled the cards. But let's see what is coming up for you in the month of February. What is your energy? Your energy check-in basically. What is going on, how will be your February month. We will also see the charms and the love messages, so stay tuned with us till the end of the video. Okay, let's see for my Geminis what is going on, what is coming up for you. Ooh. The Lovers. Okay, dealing with another Gemini. Oh, the High Priestess. Oh my god. King of Pentacles, wow. Seven of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Wands. For some of you Geminis, you are married to somebody and some sort of conflicts are going on in your married life. And either you are dealing with another Gemini, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius, and Aries, Sagittarius also, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. Almost every sign is there, but strongly Gemini, Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, I am feeling, and Aquarius. Let's see one more messages. So those I feel this video is watching. Some of you men are watching this video. Definitely, either you are male or female, you are married, and some sort of conflicts are going on in your marriage life or in your home situation. Might be dealing with Aquarius sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also, Gemini also I am seeing. Queen of Swords cards almost coming in every reading, so a lot of people are arguing with each other, I am feeling. And someone has used sharp tongue and someone is using sharp words, definitely. And a lot of conflicts and arguments are going on in your home life, whether you are married or not. But I feel like something in your family, some sort of conflicts are going on, especially if you are married. Then your marriage life is disturbed, definitely. And you are in love with somebody, I feel like that, and you are married to someone else. And your person has cheated you with somebody else, some sort of those lines I am feeling. Someone has deceived someone, definitely. Either you or your person has deceived someone. And Wheel of Fortune card is showing me that everything is going to be resolved, definitely. And it is happening because of the divine only, because divine want us to come into alignment, so that is why they give us problems. So whatever conflicts and problems are going on in your life, in your marriage life or in your personal life, home life, family life, so it is because they want you to realize something, they want you to learn some lessons. And at the end, everything will be sorted out, I feel like that. Your wish will be fulfilled because of the Wheel of Fortune charm I am seeing that. And if someone has deceived you or cheated you, they are going to pay back their karmas. If someone has been very control freak, this can be your past person. They might have cheated you with the third person, some sort of those lines. Either they were married and they didn't tell you, or either you are married to them and they were involved with somebody else. Some sort of those conflicts are going on. And if you are unmarried and then your partner has kept you in third party, and some sort of those lines I am seeing. So the Lovers is two choices, basically two choices I am seeing. One person is married and another is unmarried, and dealing with two people. Either this can be you or your person. So someone has got cheated in this situation, in this whole drama, definitely. And that is why you are waiting for the karmas. If you did wrong, then I feel like this is your person who has done wrong to you, and they will receive their karmas. and they also want to come back to you. If your person were married to someone else, I feel like they wanted to come back to you. They loved you, but some sort of control freak ego or family situation has come in between, and they see you as your wish, and you also see them as your wish. So it is going to be fulfilled. Everything is happening according to divine plan and divine timing. Exactly on which time it is going to resolve, I can't tell you, but if even if I'll have to give you some time, I will say wait for 4 months, at least 4 months it will take. 4 months it will take to resolve. If this is your issue, family issue, this situation to resolve, it will take 4 months. And in February month, you'll be wishing and hoping. I would suggest you to do some prayers, meditation, affirmations, positive manifestations. It will help you, okay, to come out of this situation, to come out of this conflicts. I feel like it is regarding your family matter only. Even if it is not family matter, then it is professional or property matter. So whatever it is going to be resolved, but 4 months it will take. 4 months, up to 4 months, your situation will be saved because of the hangman man card I am saying. And after 4 months, you'll see, and you'll understand, and you'll try to understand why this has happened, why it was happening, why this is happening, you know why that person did this thing to you, or uh, you took this decision, whatever situation, you'll realize a lot of things after 4 months, until, because some sort of divine plan and divine intervention and divine's timing is involved in this. So I won't be able to tell you the exact time, but in the month of February, this situation will be stuck and stagnant. After 4 months, you'll see some result, but you are also not trying to listening to your ancestors or your divine or your intuition or your higher self. You should try to do some meditation and prayers, and try to listen to your God, universe, and higher self. So it will help you to come out of this situation. It will give you a lot of answers, okay, why this has happened and why this is happening. And I would suggest you to do some positive manifestation and affirmations also, definitely. But till that time, you'll be in the stuck situation. But wheel of fortune is telling me that something big is going to happen, good is going to happen. Okay, let's see the charms. See, you need to be flexible. I feel like either you are dealing with Aries person, either you are control freak or your person is control freak, or bossy type of a leader type of a person, and you or your person needs to be flexible. Whoever is trying to be trying to control the situation, or trying to be control freak or bossy, they need to be more flexible, and then only transformation will come in the situation as per the divine's will. Okay, initials for you: Y, B. Okay. Oh wow, wheel of fortune card and wheel of fortune charm. Wow, so something is, I'm telling you, divine's interference is there, and everything will happen and happening and happen because of divine's wish. And whatever is conflicts are going on currently in your life, it is because of the divine's plan, and on the divine timing it is going to be resolved after 4 months. But till that time, you need to do prayer, meditation, you need to listen to your intuition, your higher self, your guides, your ancestors, and try to be flexible. This can be your person also. If he was trying to be control freak, or you are trying to be bossy or control freak, you need to be flexible. Your person needs to be flexible, and then only transformation will come. Transformation will occur, definitely. Okay. Some sort of you feel like some sort of games, mind games has been played, or politics is going on. I also feel like some sort of politics, mind games are going on. Wait for 4 months, everything will come into your favor. And till that time, do some meditation, prayer, and try to be more flexible, and don't try to control the outcome. Okay, don't try to control the situation. Do some positive affirmation and meditation as well. And walk near greenery, walk near in the park, walk near the nature, greenery. Okay, let's see the love messages from the person who's most on your mind. Let's see. Love letter. So your person wanted to has written a letter to you, love letter to you, or wanted to write a letter, or you wanted to you want to write a letter, or your person might have already written a letter to you, but they are not sending it to you. For some of you, I am feeling blessings. See, blessings are coming. I am telling you now, everything is coming in your favor because of the Wheel of Fortune card and Wheel of Fortune charm. I am telling you, everything is happening according to divine's plan and divine's timing. It will on divine's timing it will happen. Everything going as per the divine's wish. So you don't need to worry. You just need to have patience, be flexible, don't try to control the outcome, surrender to the divine, surrender to your ancestors, angels, and try to do some meditation prayers and listen to your higher self. Okay, so after that, after 4 months, you'll start understanding that you know why it has happened, why it is happening, and blessings are coming, I'm telling you. Okay, let's see. I want to come back. So your person who's most on your mind is saying I want to come back. If he has kept you in third party, he's stuck in the family life, marriage life. So they want to come back to you. Money minded. So your person might be money minded. I also feel for some of you, your person is belong to from a different culture, religion. You might be from somewhere else and your person might be from India or something like that, or Asia. So I feel like that. And he has behaved money minded because of the money situation. He has got married uh, to the one whom he was not in love with, or she was not in love with, and they listen to the society, culture, status, and something like that, you know, and now they are regretting it. I feel like that. So I will come to meet you. So your person is saying I will come to meet you. Some sort of money situation, business situation regarding issue, and your person has reached you. I feel like that. Come back to me. So your person is now saying come back to me. You are like a fresh air. So either you are dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and your person now is feeling you are like a fresh air in lot of in this lot of drama. You are like a fresh air to them. Karmic. See, I'm telling you, your person is dealing with a karmic, and your karmic is his family or his life partner, or his husband or wife, his or her husband or wife. So take according to your gender and situation. Chanting, manifesting. See, just now I've told you, you know, try to listen to your intuition, try to understand what your ancestors are trying to understand, trying to tell you what your ancestor, angel, spirit animal, spirit guides, God, universe is making you understand or giving you some lessons. Try to understand, try to listen to your intuition. Okay, try to do some try to do some positive affirmation, manifestation. If you want this person or whatever you want to attract, you should come out of the conflict. You should do some to come out of this conflict, you should do some prayers, manifestation, or you should do some sort of meditation. Okay, chanting mantras also will work for you if you or your person is from India. Okay, and then transformation will come. Something is changing in your life, I am telling you. I didn't understand your value. So your person didn't understand your value, and he chose money over you, or he chose his family over you, or he chose third party, third person over you, or some sort of career money situation. I am feeling he's the boss or business owner, or she is the boss or business owner. Take according to your gender. See, sharp tongue. Queen of Swords card also showing me sharp tongue. This is my sharp tongue card, and another again sharp tongue message. So a lot of someone has definitely used sharp tongue and sharp words in this situation, in this conflicts or arguments. Let's see next message. Queen of Swords card is coming a lot in today's reading. I don't know why. Lot of zodiacs in lot of zodiac Queen of Swords card is popping out. So a lot of people are fighting these days. Conflicts are going on, using sharp words, sharp tongue. You are beautiful. So your person is saying you are beautiful. Definitely something regarding marriage or commitment or married life issue is going on. It will be resolved, and you'll understand why it has happened, because it was a divine's plan. So after 4 months you there is something you'll realize. Okay, till that time do meditation, prayers, concentrate on yourself, and try to connect with your angel ancestors and higher self. Do some positive affirmation and meditation, and be flexible. You'll come out of this situation. Okay, B and Y can be the initials. ARTOLMICXYZ also can be the initials. B also can be the initials. This can be you or your person's initial or place name, company name. Okay, so this is what I feel for you. I hope you liked my reading style, my tarot reading, love messages and charm reading style. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, I hope that you have a wonderful February month and upcoming months. And this is a general reading. It will not resonate or match with each and every one of you every time. And for personal reading, you can follow me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. I have mentioned the details in the description box. And please like, share, subscribe, and motivate me, and do some energy exchange. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye all. Love you all. Thank you so much. Mwah.